Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how we can go for the previous song by using this gesture on the FreeBuds. So at first you have to be sure that in your Huawei AI Live application the gestures are set up like that. So pinch 3 times to go for the previous song. If it is set up like that, it will not work. So remember to get on the pinch 3 times previous song, and it works the same for the right and the left earbud. So take a look right now. I have to cover the sensor because normally it's covered in our head when you put them to the ear. And let's go, let's pinch in this place 3 times to go for the previous song. Okay, right now it will just go back for the start of the song, so one more time. When it's pause, we cannot. Okay. As you can see, we can easily make it a little bit closer. Take a look. So yeah, that's how we can go for the previous song and the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.